people who are coming all the way from Prayagraj. Madam, आप कहाँ से आ रहे हो? कुंभ से?
नहीं नहीं
So you can also see a number of police officers are also here. As soon as the crowd is swelling, we are seeing these police officers coming and conducting the surveillance, route here at the platform 14, and you can see the influx of the pilgrims from Mahakumbh, and this is the very staircase where I am standing right now. This very staircase where the stampede took place, according to the public relation officer of Northern Railways, he said that this one man slipped from this particular staircase, and then other people also sort of rushed in as there were delays in two trains that were heading to Prayagraj, and the passengers were panic-stricken, and that's how the overnight stampede took place right here. This is what the Northern Railways Chief Public Relation Officer is telling us, that because this one man slipped, that the whole stampede took place. But we know for a fact that there is a CCTV camera right here. I'll ask my camera person to show. The CCTV camera can clearly capture, the kind of overcrowding that is taking place or that took place last night itself. So if the railway officials were active, then they could have estimated and anticipated the crowd, and they could have taken immediate action, prompt action that could have clearly, avoided and prevented the kind of accidents that took place, the kind of people who lost their lives. 18 people lost their lives, including 14 women and 3 children. Here you can see, this is the crowd here, and for now we can see this rope has been tied up to sort of keep the people segregated, and also several number of trains are being diverted to Old Delhi railway station as well as Nizamuddin railway station. So at this point, one cannot really say that this is the exact crowd. Probably there is more crowd that is coming from Prayagraj, and those trains have been diverted to the other 2 railway stations, and several trains have been cancelled as well. Right now, there are no special arrangements, security arrangements as such at the railway station as it was last night. Because we saw, this morning also we saw Mr. Om Birla coming here, and people are also speculating that the railway minister, Shrivi Vaishnav, can be expected to come here, although since last night we are being told that he's on his way to the railway station, but we haven't seen him coming here. Of course, if I show you the visuals right now, you can clearly see this is the crowd. This is almost nothing. It was 3 times more than what it is right now last night, because people were panic-stricken, people were rushing, people were gasping for air as there was delay of these 2 trains. So the question is very simple. That is, if almost 1,500 general tickets were sold yesterday itself, and the extra, platform tickets also people buy in the last moment, and there are so many people who don't buy tickets and who just, rush in. So what were the railway officials doing? They could have estimated the tickets that were being sold. They could have seen the CCTV footage from right there, that the crowd is getting out of control. They could have taken prompt action accordingly. So the Railway Ministry has to give us these answers as to why there were these delays in train. This is where, last night the Prayagraj Express train was already stationed. There was already a massive crowd here. That's when the announcement came that 2 of these trains heading to Prayagraj that got cancelled. And that's when people started panicking. There was chaotic situation. People started leaving from this very staircase. And that's how the whole stampede happened. Last night, we saw horrific visuals of women lying completely unconscious here on this very platform 14. people were lying unconscious. Some of them even alleged that they did not get time. They were frantically calling the fire department to get some help, but they did not get much help from the official forces. As you can see, there are few police officers who are constantly going to and fro from here because they are making sure. Right there you can see a group of police officers who are here right now. They are conducting a basic surveillance so that things don't go out of control. Although we know several trains, especially coming from Prayagraj, have been diverted to the New Delhi, Old Delhi railway station as well as Nizamuddin railway station. So the crowd over there can also swell up. So
right, Shreya, stay on with us. We'll come back to you there.